Promote ko muna tong product namin, is Kalinga Blend. Yan po, coffee pouch po yan, merong bulb. So yung freshness niya will stay. Meron din kaming Sagada Blend. Yan, Sagada Blend at yung pong Bengat Blend. All coffee from the Highlands. So napakasarap po niyan. Freshly grinded pala yung binebenta natin so far, but magkakaroon tayo yung may mga drips. Opo. Sugar. Ito mas masarap to kasi yan, tatlo po yan. Tatlong kanay. Sandali nalaglag pa. Ayan, tatlo po yan. Yeah. Available na po yan. Mag-PM lang kayo sa baba. At yun sa mga OFW na gusto mag-business, well, this is the right time. Ito po, mag-connect kayo sa akin. And pwede kayong mag-rebrand ng products namin. Puro kape tayo kasi. We have to help. Napakasarap po ng brewed coffee with brown sugar. Yung 3-in-1 nyo sa inyo na yan. Dito. Dark roast po silang tatlo. Again, Aram Coffee. Yan, Bengat Blend. Ito yung Sagada Blend. At saka yung Kalinga Blend. We're helping the farmers actually. So, sana po, suportahan nyo rin tong ating produkto para naman marami tayong matulungan na farmers. Yan po Don't forget again, Aram Coffee po. Para sa mga OFW dyan na gustong magdala abroad, well, ito po. Pwede nyo yung dalhin sa abroad to. Yan. Yung pouch na yan. Po. This is Mr. Arnoldz and we're here in Burnham Lake. We will be going around and show you how and the current situation here in the Burnham Lake. The perimeter. I covered those rental boats before that are underwater. We will see. Stay tuned. We will cover that area. And it's a bit of walking here. Stay tuned for more and give it the latest update here in Baguio. Some people are still enjoying the raining. So it's deserted. No one is there except me wading out here. And it's the current situation here in Burnham Lake. And meron tayo nakita dito nagkaano ng mga bangkain for sure. Meron pang dalawa. You can see two boats or three. And that is one boat there. Another one there. There's another one. And another one here. Another one here. So the level of water is been maintained. Another one here. So they still try to enjoy riding these swan boats with their umbrella. Yeah. So still people are enjoying this lake. The three swan boats is on the lake at the moment. The water, I think, has been stabled at the level, I mean, and as you can see, it is raining, but still they are enjoying it here in Burnham. Windy things again here. Stay tuned for more. Again, this is Mr. Arnold. Subscribe, share, like, and comment my videos. And so we will go back to the area where we see those sunken boats. Cover it again now. See the latest what they have done. And as you can hear, wind is there. on my back, on the umbrella, on the raincoat, and it's a bit cold. It's not really a bit, it's really cold. So walk with me along the Burnham Lake pedestrian path. You can hear my kids screaming. I'm wearing slippers and it's wet and it's cold. Okay, what is going on here? I think those boats there on the far end have been taken out of the water. It's windy. It's windy, windy again. It's windy. And more wind. Ayan. The police is just telling those guys to go home. Still here. I hope they will not catch me. Okay, I can see that the boats are up and standing. I think they had taken out from the water. This is the first one that we see before. So everything is floating now. So they have taken it out from the water with the clear weather yesterday. So they're anticipating some tourists that will be coming here, or some people that will be enjoying it here. And yeah, these boats are up. There's no water. No water. The level is almost a bit lower compared to the video that we have done a few days back. So it's a weather break. So those boats there on the far side are out of the water. Side, let's see. All is taken out of the water. In here. Yeah. So the boats, all the boats are up over the water. And more rain. And more rain. Oh shit. That. Just in a second. See, these boats are up already. This one is also up. Kuya is there.